Good morning, friends. We're very happy to share the success story, love story with IEG JKC for last 6 years. More or less, it started with same time when we started Campus Connect in Infosys. At the same time, IEG JKC also we started. Objective being the same, like to enhance the quality and quantity of the talent pool. So we have jointly done a lot of programs. So this is to me whatever we are doing jointly with them is basically a national building exercise. So we thought when we influence the students in India and they will influence the world, so the world will move. One very key difference, whatever programs we have done with internally or with IEG JKC, it is like this. It is not like an event. We have done like a campaign. That is the one basic difference. Whatever programs we have done with whether it is STP or soft skills or foundation program, all the programs. The key difference is none of the activity we have done like one event, wash off and then what next. It's actually like a campaign. So it's like a revolution. So it produces a lot of results. So one such result, if I have to share the success story with all of you, is that we have trained about 100,000 students so far for last 5 years. Okay, and then about in all these technical and soft skills, all these areas. 25% of that number comes from Andhra Pradesh, where because of the effort from the IEG JKC, and about 30,000 faculty members we have trained. But again, same about 30% comes from the Andhra Pradesh team. So what is that we have done? Basically, it's like systemic intervention, and to initially it start with it is an outcome of a belief. Few people, not many people, believed that this will work. But maybe to start with 1 or 2 people, they just believed it and it just happened. So this is a systemic change. So if I have to share with you the success story of the special training program, and we have picked up some students, their confidence levels is very, very low. And then we have trained them, for about 10 batches here. Whereas the other teams in India have trained about 2 or 3 batches of similar nature. So what we found uniquely, different with those students compared to normal students is their confidence level is very, very low. So we all have done what it requires to boost up their confidence level. And even Amarnath Reddy went to market and brought that, Oscar Award English movies, and then we have shown them repeatedly, asked them to say their opinion, and we've asked them to play Dam Charades in front of us. When they are talking, we recorded their, program, and then we have shown it to them back. And we did a lot of quizzes and, the unconventional methods we have done. Still the programs are going on. The other major program what we have done is the programming contest camp for India. If you know the Association for Computing Machinery, ACM, in the worldwide, last year they have done about 100 countries. Students from 100 countries participated in ACM. About 2,000 universities participated, and about 20,000 students participated in the program. When we did that program with JKC last year, from India itself, 25,000 students participated in that. It's a huge number. Now these students, we are training them again so that they will go and participate in the World Finals Cairo and wave our flag. They represent India. Representation of India is coming very low. So we thought, this is one major program we have done with JKC, is that Aspirations 2020. Enhancing the skill set in terms of programming skills and algorithmic approach. Okay, this is one major program what we have done. And a lot of effort has gone in. I can tell you approximately about 300 man-years effort has gone in for last 5-6 years. We have introduced a lot many things. We were always debating like what is that they want. We are teaching, we are sharing, but are you getting? So that was the concept behind the program, whatever we have done. We were asking them, are you getting whatever we are sharing, whatever we were talking? We have designed a new methodology for the students. Like we call it as a 10-30-60. Like, we used to talk only about 10% in the session. I myself was a trainer, Amar and Chandra, we were all trainers in those batches. Today I have seen, so these students, they are in NASA, they are in US, they are in Australia, they are in Infosys, they are in Microsoft, they are everywhere. But they were basically, if you look at, they came from socially deprived, economically, socially challenged students. They were nowhere at the time. They were rejected a lot by all these companies. But today they are, high flyers. Couple of students are getting awards as well in these companies. So to nutshell, what is that, I can conclude on this is that there are set of people, they just, watch what things are going on, how things are going on. And there are certain set of people, they wonder how these kind of things will happen. Can we really change these kind of people? What is their problem? And so when we work with the JKC team, so this is the team we came out, these guys, make things happen. Somehow they are at the root level, they are very hands-on, go to the college and students. It's like a campaign, they routinely do these programs. So uniquely different points when we deliver these sessions is that, the content is very uniquely positioned. We have designed the content what they need, not that what we have. We were not pumping the CDs or books or all, what they were not interested basically. So we have designed the content for them, and then we have requested faculty members, even Vishnu Raju, chairman of B Variety, helped a lot in those programs. So we have delivered what exactly they want. Where everybody will say, English is their main problem. So why English is their main problem? We started with, we asked them to read Economic Times newspaper every day in the class to start with. So we have defined the content for them. We have designed the delivery for them. We have defined the assessment also for them. So I think that way, it was very unique and it was very successful. Thank you. All the best.